Hi, welcome to the galley. Today we're talking about the oils that I use, and I want to talk to you about the danger of some of the oils you might be using. Now, first up, these are the ones that I have. You see 4, but it's really kind of 6 because I can turn my butter into ghee and clarified butter, then making it another high heat cooking source. And the coconut oil, I don't use a lot of coconut oil. Mainly, I kind of use this for curries, but our biggest buzzword today that we're going to learn about is cold pressed. You want your avocado oil, your extra virgin olive oil, your coconut, any oil that you use to be cold pressed. And of course, here we've got our GMO free symbol there, which, makes us all happy. But, coconut oil is not one you have to kind of stock on, but I do like it for a few things. Now, my avocado oil, this is my daily, use it every day cooking oil, because I can take my avocado oil from my cake to my french fries and everything in between. You can do all the things with the avocado oil. And then, of course, you have extra virgin olive oil. I feel like everybody has to have one really nice extra virgin olive oil, because oil and vinegar dressings for those, light, delicate sauteing situations, a good extra virgin olive oil is a must. Now, the biggest thing, again, is we want to talk about cold press. Now, when you are going to pick out your extra virgin olive oil, the 2 biggest things that I can tell you that you want to look for is cold pressed and single sourced. Now, obviously, this one's from California. This is just a beautiful company. They give back and they donate to the land and to the people. And these tins are recyclable, but it's artisanal made. It's a beautiful, beautiful company. The olives are grown in California, but obviously, Italy, Argentina, there's a lot of places making some really gorgeous avocado oil. Extra virgin olive oils. But when you buy one of those, just make sure it's single sourced and cold pressed. That's all I can tell you. When some of those companies making those really cheap extra virgin olive oils, the olives can come globally and then there's no traceability. So you can't certify them GMO free. You can't certify them anything because there's no traceability in where all those olives came from. So single source, cold press. Now, the reason that cold press is so important is because all of those oils in those see-through clear jugs, like your corn oil or your vegetable oil, your sunflower oil, any seed oil, palm oil, all of those oils are treated with a high heat method to remove the oil from those seeds or whatever. They have to treat them with something called hexene. Now, hexene is a solvent that's made from crude oil. And these seeds and things, they just soak in this hexene. And this is how they extract the oil from these things. So currently, the FDA does not regulate how much hexene residue can be left in your food sources. And it's used to make in quite a few food source things, but especially in those oils. So I know that you can go to the store and you can see that your bottle of avocado oil is $25 and you can get a bottle of corn oil for $3. But, I think your doctor bills later, it might have been worth buying the $20 avocado oil to use. So be careful with all of those vegetable oils, corn oils, seed oils, all of those oils, soybeans. Stay away and just make some really good choices. And again, our buzzwords today are cold pressed and single sourced. And thank y'all. I hope that this helped you make your oil choices today. Thanks for being here. More Stocktober to come. See y'all later. Bye.